In order for me to make the trip to Warsaw and further to London, we need to have money. And fortunately, the Jewish community or the refugee children's movement provided the money. So my father we were all in Lvov, my father had to pick up the money and went wherever he needed to go. The only thing is he was what we call in Yiddish a Chevreman. He loved to be with people and talk and joke and drink a little Bronfen. So he did on the way home, and he reached for the money and it was gone. That was for my trip to freedom. He got naturally very anxious, but he mingled with andere Jiden, and they told him, look, you know, there's the pickpockets around here, they're organized. You need to go to the head of the gang of pickpockets. Doesn't that remind you of Oliver Twist? Which he did, and this is too strange to be believed. The head gunner called his Ganevin and said, look, we don't take from a refugee. You better come forward and give the stuff back. He came forward, gave my father the money back, and what else? A pen and glasses that he had in his pocket. He didn't even miss. So thank God he had the money, and it was a happy ending. I mean, that I could go. Not so much that this was my goodbye to my parents and to Betty.